Hi, I'm Katie Nobles,
And I'm disability attorney Michael Einer.
and you're watching the Bottom Line Breaking News. Michael, we have been chatting this morning, and you've just been getting a ton of calls in the office about something that's happening this weekend. So why don't you take it away and explain it to us?
Yeah, so Katie, for the last year, we have been talking about and shooting videos about the pandemic, unemployment, the federal extension of the unemployment program, which has been paying people. At one point, it was $600 a week on top of state unemployment. Now it was down to $300 per week in the state of Ohio. But our governor announced last month that it would be ending at the end of June 26th, which is this coming Saturday. And that's been a real source of panic for a lot of our clients. And what's happening is a lot of people who are realizing that extra income that they've been enjoying for the last year or so is coming to an end. And so they're going to have to find, if they can't go back to work, they're going to have to find some other income source to make up that loss. And as a result, many people are calling us and inquiring about filing for disability benefits. And this is, again, something that we've spoken about in our other videos that we've talked about it. People who are disabled are the people who are the most vulnerable when it comes to the end of the pandemic unemployment assistance, because the people who are not being called back to work are the people who are older workers, people whose bodies have been breaking down on them, people who are sick. And so we're just seeing a lot of additional phone traffic here in the office. And we want to make sure that we can answer everybody's questions and give them the best information possible.
That's right. And as evidenced by this breaking news episode, we are here working all the time trying to answer all of those questions that are constantly coming in. So if you have any questions, you can give our office a call. We'll put that number here at the bottom of the screen, or you can always visit our website. That's linerlegal.com. Michael, thanks so much for taking the time today to answer this question.
Thank you, Katie. We're always here to help.